Nature doesn't play in single notes. It creates a symphony. Every plant holds a network of bioactive compounds, working together to create effects far greater than the sum of the individual parts. To harness the full power of plants, we need to respect this natural harmony and balance. But unlocking nature's potential goes beyond simply milling plants. First, we have to decode their integrated intelligence. With advanced AI-supported algorithms, we select the right symphony to support animal health and performance. Our approach is not about attacking pathogens. It's about building resilience from within. Animal metabolism, gut health, immunity, complex systems requiring complex solutions. Our phytocomplexes are nature-inspired, science-based, and solution-driven.